Hello everyone, this is my assignment on Module 6.3 User-Defined Functions and Triggers. So in this assignment, being able to grade all 8 questions using SQL Server queries for fund with function, and also grade SQL queries to answer these questions for functions with triggers. But I would love to show this on my SQL Server, the queries. Go over to my SQL Server. Okay, this is my SSMS. So I'll go after one the other and answer each questions. I've created a query already, so I'll be going one after the other. So I'll start from fund with function. So my first question is okay. The question is here: how do I extract the first name from contact name? And I executed. Okay. I'll go to the next one. So for then, this function help focus on the solution I have. Okay. So this is where I begin to get answers, and I decide that the first name is everything before the first space. I will use the SQL function left and char index to extract it. Okay. One. Okay. So just step to file. Step 3 is the hard hook query. Here I run a select statement using left and char index to extract the first name for all customers. You can see my third query. Okay, so this is research. I document the source I use to verify how left and char index works, such as Microsoft Docs and Stack Overflow. You can see. So this is where I create the scalar function, which is fnget first name. This allows me to reuse this logic anyway in the database by just pressing the contact name. You can see. So the next one, I'll compare the results. Okay. So this compare the results of the add Henry query, add hooks query, and with the function. The column match exactly, confirming the function works So the next one will be how do I track when a record was last modified? Okay, so this is for fun with triggers. Uh, for fun with triggers, how do I track when? Well, this is the last one. Okay, this did it. Fun with triggers. Fun with triggers. Okay. How do I track when the record was last modified? So this is important for auditing and data integrity. Okay. I plan to create an after update triggers that update the last modified dates and modified date by columns and whenever a record change successful. Next one. Okay, so yeah, successful. So okay, so this actually documents my research. I reference Microsoft doc and on great triggers and Stack Overflow example for syntax and best practice. The next one, I grade triggers. I'm successful. Okay, so 5, tested the triggers. I update a row, then select last modify date and last modify by column to confirm the triggers works. You can see. So this is the last modify and this is the date. So next one, how do I ensure last modify stored the server user using username? So automatically captures the current user. So this is the query for it and successful. So this completes both the fun with function and fun with triggers exercise. I now have to reuse functions to get first last name and a triggers track that track updates to record. Thank you very much for watching this video.